And gentlemen, welcome to Crown Tech online class. So today we are going to be talking about whiteboard animation. So how can we create a whiteboard animated video? So I want you guys to follow this video step by step on how we can create a whiteboard animated video. So first of all, we are going to be using a website, renderforest.com. renderforest.com. I'll send the link alongside this video as usual. So when you get to render forest, this is what you have. Now when you click on this stroke at the right side, it will tell you, see what it will bring. So like me now, I've already logged in before, but if you have not logged in, just try to log in. So if I log out now, it will log me it will log me out, and I'll show you how you can log in with your phone. Now you click on sign in. When you click on sign in, it will tell you either to log in with Google or with Facebook. Because I've used Facebook to log in before, so I'll choose Facebook. So it will take me around to my Facebook, so that my Facebook will be able to have access to the website. So this is what I will have. It will tell me that it has successfully sign in. So let's go for it. Can you see it has logged in successfully? Then you can just delete it from here, then go back to your Chrome, so that you can start working on it. That means it has logged in like that. You don't have a problem. If you check it now, you see that it has logged me in. Let's check it. Can you see it has already logged me in? So you come back to the Chrome in order to start your work. So you click on get started, click on video. So when you get to video, it will show all the templates we have. So in this place, this 3D explainer video, you can use it to create, you cancel this, use it to create a cartoon animated video, this 3D explainer video. But what you want to do today is whiteboard animated video. So this whiteboard animation toolkit, you click on it. So when you click on it, you click on create now. Now it is processing. Then after that, it will ask you to add screen, load a preset, or type your script. So for the purpose of this lecture, we are going to be adding screen. So click on add screen, then it will load. So after it has loaded, it will load all the character we have. So you choose from the various character you have in order to suit your work. What do we need? This one is a happy man, the second one is a waving man, this one is a sad man, a man with an icon in hand, so a different one. So what do you need? What do you want to create? It depends on which type of video advert you want to run. So you choose from the varieties of character you have. Now let me just walk you through. Let's create some video. Let's start from here. Maybe let me click on this, then I will insert. It will load. Okay, let me just remove this and choose another. Let me choose another template. Sorry for that. Let me choose another template. I want to show you something. Let me choose this, insert. Now in this place, I'm going to type your text. Click on it. What do you want to type? Can you see? When you save and close, it will load. it will load. See, it's loading. It's loading. It has saved it. Welcome you all. That's a mistake there. Let me edit it. You can edit it. Edit your text. Welcome you all. And see the way I'm doing it. Welcome you all. Then that's okay. It's okay by me. So it will save it. To save it. So you can now click on the next video. This plus sign, you click on it to choose another character. You choose another character. So look for another thing. Let's choose this. Insert. You type your text again. Okay. Can you see? Can you see? It will save and what? It will load. Can you see? It has already saved and load. You can change the text position to the right. So it will change it to the right. We change it to the right. Can you see? So let's click on plus again to add another character. To add another character. To add another character. So what other character can we add? What other character can we add? Okay. Let me see what other character I can put. Now it's going to make it perfect. Let's look for another character we can add. Let's add this. So what text can we put? Okay. Let's say okay. Can you see? Can you see? Save and close. Then it will also load as usual. It will save. Then it will load as usual. Can you see? With this amazing class, you are one step closer to your success. Now let's add another one. You can add as many characters as you want. No matter your this thing, you can add as many characters. So let's add this for the last time. So you can add more than 4 videos, but because of our time, we need to just okay. Can you see? So it depends on what you want to type. I'm just doing this as an example. It will load and it will save. It will load and it will save. Having done that, you are through with everything. Can you see? Come, let's make cash together. Now let's come back to this place. It has still not changed. It has not changed. It has not changed. Let's come back to this text again. Let's click on it. So we have already edited it. So it has already changed because of the service. So it has already changed now. So the next thing, since you have created your videos, your 4 videos are ready, just come to this music icon. You want to add music to it. So can you see it's very interesting. So what? Add music. Click on add music, and there is a lot of music you can add from this place, or go to your music library. This is uploaded music. You go to your music library to add music, anyone you want. So this place where you are going to upload your music, this is the music on the music library from the website. So let me just upload one. Let me say digital technology. Can you see it's playing? So I can add it. You click on the plus to add it. Then you see what you have added. You see what you have added. Can you see? So after that, just click on after adding the music and it has been successfully saved. Just click on this play symbol to save your image. Click on it. Click on free preview. It will process. It's processing our video. You see, your video is in queue. So that means our video is loading. So you wait for it to load. We are going to wait for it to load. So let's just be patient. Exporting 34, 35, 40. So till it reach 100. So you see, you click on preview and it will take you to this place. So when it complete 100, now we have 100% rendering finish. Applying audio. The audio we put, they want to apply it to it. So it will now load. Can you see? This is our video now. This is our video. This is our video. Can you see? This is our video. So what you just need is what? Come back to this place. These 2 slash at the right hand side. Then click on what? Click on this. Click on your email. That is your name after on your dashboard. Then click on my video. Now it will load you to where your videos are, those videos you have created. So it will tell you, it will bring you to where it is. So these are everything I have created. So this is the one we just recently created, the one at the top. Now click on what? Click on download. It will download your video for you. Can you see? Download. So it will download your video for you. Then you are good to go. That's what we call whiteboard animation video or whiteboard admin. Can you see? Open. Now let's click on open and watch our video to see if it is perfect. Click on play. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? This is exactly what we call whiteboard animated video. Whiteboard animated video. Whiteboard animated video. So I hope you enjoyed the class. So I want everyone to practicalize it and do your own animated video. So you know where the mistakes are, so we can correct you. Thank you very much. Welcome to Crown Tech Communication online class.